LMS for manufacturing, boosting skills and safety training. Manufacturing is evolving fast, but are your workers trained to keep up? Skills gaps, safety risks, and compliance challenges can slow down productivity, or worse, cause workplace accidents. The solution? A powerful learning management system, LMS, built for the manufacturing industry. An LMS for manufacturing empowers your workforce with on-demand training, anywhere, anytime learning for busy employees. Safety and compliance programs stay OSHA, ISO, and FDA compliant. Skill-based learning. Upskill your team for increased efficiency. Automated tracking and reporting, monitor certifications and progress effortlessly. With Paradiso LMS, manufacturers can reduce accidents, boost productivity, and cut training costs, all with one easy-to-use platform. Ready to overcome your LMS challenges? Visit www.paradisosolutions.com to learn more and book a demo today. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips on transforming your training experience. Empower your learning journey, one solution at a time.